Most of us don't manage to do everything we want
Audio correct? Perfect. सुनो.
to do in any given day. We only have a certain amount of time and energy, so some things inevitably get left behind. Can you manage practicing the piano, reading books, meditating, and exercising every single day while working a day job? I can, and you could as well. Today I would like to share a method I found to be extremely helpful for managing all these competing goals. It's called mini habits. A few years ago, I wanted to implement meditation in my daily life and make it a regular habit. So I told myself, from now on, I'll do 20 minutes of meditation every single day. Unfortunately, that didn't work out as I had hoped. Often I couldn't even bring myself to start meditating, let alone do 20 minutes of it. I would make excuses like, I have to be somewhere else in 20 minutes, I don't have time to meditate now. So I didn't meditate that day for even 1 minute. Then I would often feel bad the next day and I would say to myself, okay, now I'll make up for it and do 40 minutes today. Yeah, that also didn't work out. But then I decided to switch it up a bit. Instead of having such high expectations of myself, I decided to make my meditation practice as easy as possible. I reduced the time I wanted to meditate from 20 minutes to 2 minutes.
ओके अब समझो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपने टारगेट रखा है रोज एक्स नंबर ऑफ सम्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 10, 15, 20. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग एक बच्चे की बात करें जिसको अकाउंट से नफरत है. अगर उस बच्चे ने टारगेट रखा है कि वो दिन में 30 सम्स करेगा, गारंटी फेल होगा, गारंटी फेल होने वाला है. फिर एक दिन मिस हो गया, सोच रहा है दूसरे दिन 60 सम्स कर लेगा, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. तो जो चीज या जो सब्जेक्ट से आपको नफरत है, हर एक में एक सब्जेक्ट होगा जो नहीं पसंद है, टारगेट उसमें ऐसा रखो कि आप मिस ही नहीं कर सको. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे आई हेट एक्सरसाइज, मतलब पसंद ही नहीं है कोई चीज एक्सरसाइज मेरे को. तो जब मैं टारगेट रखता था कि मैं दिन में रोज 1 घंटा एक्सरसाइज करूंगा, होता ही नहीं था. बेड से उठने की इच्छा ही नहीं होती थी. बट लास्ट 3 मंथ से मैंने क्या टारगेट रखा है कि भाई कुछ भी हो जाए 5 मिनट तो मैं एक्सरसाइज करूंगा. 5 मिनट वो मिस नहीं करूंगा. तो 5 मिनट ही, फिर अब बेड पे सोया हूं, ये सोच रहे चल 5 मिनट ही करना है ना, हो जाएगा. तो अगर आपको फॉर एग्जाम्पल अकाउंट से नफरत है या कोई एक चैप्टर से नफरत है, डोंट कीप टारगेट के भाई 2 दिन में उस चैप्टर को खत्म करेंगे. कीप टारगेट के भाई बस 5 मिनट के लिए इस सब्जेक्ट को लेकर बैठेंगे. देखो आगे सुनो.
This way, no matter what happened in my day, I could achieve my meditation goal. It didn't matter how tired or how busy I was, I could always find 2 minutes somewhere in my day, so there were no excuses. One of the biggest problems people have is that we expect too much from ourselves. And as a result of those high expectations, we sometimes don't get anything done. You might expect to go to the gym and work out for 1 hour. But what happens when you only have 40 minutes to spare? Most people wouldn't go to the gym at all, because their goal is to exercise for 1 hour. So instead of getting 40 minutes of exercise, they settle for 0 minutes instead. Their high expectations are preventing them from doing what they've set out to do.
Please
And that's the wrong
दिमाग में रखना, हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन रोक रही है उसके टारगेट को अचीव करने के लिए. आपके साथ हुआ है कि नहीं, रिलेट कर रहे हो कि नहीं? इसने पहले लाइन क्या बोला कि भाई आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन ही है. काफी लोग अपने आप से बहुत ज्यादा एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं और फिर गिरते हैं. अगर मैं एक्सपेक्ट करूंगा कि भाई मैं है ना निखिल या किसी के जैसे 6 पैक एब्स बनाऊं या इस पर्सन के जैसे अच्छे डांस करूं या कोई भी चीज करूं, पॉसिबल नहीं है. एक्सपेक्टेशन को लो से लो रखनी है. टारगेट्स हाई रखो, एक्सपेक्टेशन लो रखो.
approach. This is where the mini habits come in. Essentially, mini habits are habits where the expectation is so low that you can do them every single day without fail. And even someone who's depressed or stuck in a mental rut can find success. Remember all those activities I listed at the beginning? They were actually mini versions. When I said I do those activities, I didn't mean I do them for 1 hour each. Instead, I practice the piano for just 3 minutes, read 1 page of a book, meditate for 2 minutes, and exercise by doing a few push-ups. Now you might think I'm actually unproductive. If you read just 1 page of a book per day, that won't get you anywhere, right? Well, that's not necessarily the case. The reason I have these small habits is because they allow me to get everything done over a longer period of time, and I create habits that actually stick. Years ago, when I was struggling with my meditation practice, turning it to a mini version made all the difference. Since the expectation was so low, I had no problem starting the habit. And what happened as a result is that when I did the habit for those 2 minutes, I would often do a little more afterwards. So ultimately, what ended up happening is I would sometimes do 20 minutes of meditation even if the goal was just 2 minutes. That's why mini habits work so well. If you don't feel like doing the habit that day, or if you're low on time, you just do the mini version. This way you still get something done and there's no guilt afterwards. But often you will find that the mini version expands into a longer version. On some days your motivation will be high and you'll keep on going for much longer. So no, if you have mini habits, it doesn't mean you're unproductive. While my expectation might be to read 1 page of a book, I often read for 30 minutes or more. Same with all my other habits. I'm sure you heard of Newton's first law before. Objects in motion tend to stay in motion. Objects at rest tend to stay at rest. This can be said about humans as well. If you're currently procrastinating, it's very difficult to make yourself go study for 1 hour. However, if you've been studying for 3 minutes already, it's so much easier to just continue studying.
Clear? अब ध्यान से सुनना. For example, just suppose करो आपने ये वीडियो समझी, आपको अच्छी लगी, आपने इम्प्लीमेंट करना शुरू किया, आपको अकाउंट से नफरत है, आपने रखा कि रोज 2 सम करने हैं, बस 2 सम और कुछ करना ही नहीं है. पॉसिबल है कि आपके जो है फर्स्ट टर्म में स्कूल के अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं है, सितंबर में अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं है, अक्टूबर नवंबर मेरी कोई टेस्ट में आपके मार्क्स कम आ रहे हैं, लेकिन ये गारंटी है 2 सम्स एंडिंग में आपको कोई चैप्टर इतना अच्छे से क्लियर होगा कि वो 2 सम पॉसिबल है आप आधा घंटा या 1 घंटे में पूरा चैप्टर वो खत्म कर लो. पॉसिबल है पूरा दिन आप वो अकाउंट्स करो बिकॉज हैबिट शुरू हो गई है. क्लियर? क्या बोला इसने कि भाई ऑब्जेक्ट इन मोशन स्टे इन मोशन, कि एक बार बुक उठा ली है, समझ में आ रहा है, तो आप सोच रहे हो कि ठीक है भाई 2 सम मैंने आज 4 कर लेते हैं, 10 कर लेते हैं. आई रिपीट, अगर कोई स्टूडेंट जिसको अकाउंट्स नहीं पसंद है, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट नहीं पसंद है, 2 सम 2 पेज से शुरू कर रहा है, मार्च में उसके अच्छे मार्क्स आ जाएंगे. ऐसे काफी सारे बच्चे मैंने देखे हैं कि फॉर एग्जांपल 15 अगस्त की टेस्ट में अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए, बोर्ड में नहीं है. और रिवर्स भी हुआ है कि 15 अगस्त की टेस्ट को अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं है, लेकिन 26 जैन की हुई या बोर्ड की जब एग्जाम हुई तब उसके अच्छे मार्क्स आ गए, बिकॉज वो बच्चा रोज 2 सम कर रहा है और पॉसिबल है कुछ अच्छे दिन पे वो ज्यादा सम्स कर रहा है.
And this is what mini habits do. They help us get started because they don't require too much commitment from us. Starting something is often the biggest problem we have when it comes to productivity. But once we start and gain a bit of momentum, it's much easier to keep on going. If you have an expectation to clean your entire room, you might never get around to do it because the thought of doing all that work seems daunting. Instead, you want to commit to something super easy, like organizing your desk. When you do that, you'll find it much easier to continue since you have already started. You might then get some extra motivation and do some more cleaning. But even if you don't feel like doing anything else afterwards, you still did something, which is more than nothing. And this type of a minimalistic approach will get you more results in the long run than the typical approach. A typical habit usually looks like this. You set a big goal where the expectation from yourself is high. The first few days go fine as you feel motivated. Then, whoopsie, you had to miss a day because something else came up. However, you managed to get another good day in. But again, life gets in the way and you had to miss 2 days in a row. And this continues on, until you can't bring yourself to do the habit any longer and it falls apart. Now, a minimal habit looks like this. You set a goal for yourself, but it's an extremely small goal and the expectation is low. So low, in fact, that it's super easy to do it every day. You always do a little, but sometimes you have time and energy to do more. And even if life gets in the way, you're able to do the mini version no matter what, because it's so minuscule. Essentially, you never miss a day. So even after months, you're still going and continuing the habit. Basically, you commit to the minimum effort towards a goal, but make it highly frequent. And in the long run, mini habits pay off much more than typical habits. Now, I encourage you to find something that you're constantly procrastinating on and apply the mini habit concept there. Make the habit so small that you'll never have a problem starting it. So whatever that might be, studying, building a business, exercising, writing, meditating, or cleaning, make the goal so small that you cannot fail. Study for 1 minute, do 1 push-up, read 1 page. Remember, objects in motion stay in motion. Motivation to continue will come after starting. Thanks for watching.
क्लियर? फिर से सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट यहाँ पे क्या है, वो मिनी हैबिट सोचना और आपका क्या टारगेट है वो सोचना. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे मैंने कहा ना 2 सम 5 सम हर एक के अलग होंगे, लेकिन डिसाइड करो, सब्जेक्ट डिसाइड करो, आपके पेजेस आप खुद से डिसाइड करो, 1 पेज 5 पेज जिससे भी है, लेकिन वही है, बस एक बार शुरू करो और उसको एंड नहीं करना. क्लियर? चलो, ओके, थैंक यू एवरीवन.